फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ आपके साथ पीनट बटर सॉस्ड चिकन। ये बहुत ही यमी बनता है, बहुत ही सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी रेसिपी। हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिटिल टमी। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट मेनका, लेकिन इस वीडियो में आपके होस्ट होंगे सौरभ गुप्ता। जी हाँ, आज मेरे हस्बैंड खाना बना रहे हैं और हम बनाएंगे दोनों मिलकर पीनट बटर सॉस्ड चिकन। ये चिकन लवर्स आपके लिए आज स्पेशल डिश है मेरे हस्बैंड की तरफ से। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी रेसिपी और अपने मुंह से बताएंगे मेरे हस्बैंड इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स।
हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो आज मेनका जी ने मुझे हैंडल करने के लिए दिया हुआ है ये रेसिपी। सो टुडे as she said, we are making a peanut sauced chicken. So for that we are taking the following ingredients. हम ले रहे हैं peanut butter, we are taking sesame seeds, some ginger powder, some black pepper, some honey. This is very important. Some bit of honey is absolutely important for the recipe. Garlic, maybe crushed, maybe minced, the way you like. Some corn flour and a bit of salt as per your taste. A bit of black pepper or maybe red pepper as you like it. And with that, the main ingredient, the chicken. Chicken as per your wish. Right now I'm taking around 400 grams of boneless chicken. I've diced into pieces. So we'll start making. So right now, for starting a recipe, we are going to marinate the chicken. Well, exactly this would not be a marinade, but a kind of marination only. A bit of marination. So for that, some salt. And along with that, some ginger powder. And with that, some black pepper. Just a bit of it. And we'll mix it, the entire chicken. So I've mixed the chicken. Let's keep it aside and start preparing our peanut sauce. So for making the sauce, I'm taking a bowl. So in the bowl, I'm placing 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It can be any peanut butter, maybe some bit of peanuts into it. That's fine. With that, some ginger, crushed ginger, and garlic, honey. I'm pouring the entire honey into it. The next would be red chili with some black pepper, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and then in this mix we are going to pour some water, near about a cup of water, and we'll start mixing it. So in this mix we are adding another element, and that is vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and just a bit of salt. And now we're going to whisk it. Whisk properly so that there are no lumps because of the corn flour. You can definitely give an add-on of the soya sauce instead of vinegar. That would absolutely add on to the taste. Right now I'm not using soy sauce, I'm using vinegar. So coming on to the next step, we'll take a wok and let's heat it up, and then we'll pour some oil into it. 1 tablespoon of oil, just to all corners of the wok. Then another ingredient to this recipe is spring onions. As soon as this oil heats up, we'll put some spring onions into it. Let's saute the spring onion. Don't make it for long, just say for a minute or so. And then we are going to add a marinated chicken into this spring onion. Yes. One thing very important to be noted is that the flame should be on a high right now. Yes, the flame has to be on a high, because if you keep it on low, this chicken will begin to leave water, and that can actually mess up the entire dish. So just keep it on high and let it cook for say around 5 to 6 minutes. So till the time we are cooking the chicken, I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds into it. Not much. We'll keep half of it so that we can garnish it later on. And once again, we'll mix the entire thing. So it's been 5 minutes since our chicken has been cooking. So we're gonna add the sauce which we had prepared, the peanut sauce. Everything goes into the wok, and now slowly we're gonna mix that. So now that the sauce is in the pan and everything is there, the final thing is check for the salt. As per your taste, definitely I'm going to add some salt into it. And then once again, I'm going to mix the entire thing. So now that it has started to boil, we'll just close with the lid and let it simmer for around 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are done. Time to check. Let's remove the lid. Okay. So this is done. Yes, very finely done. The chicken is cooked quite well, and the gravy is as thick as desired. So now it's time to plate. So let's start with the plating. So our dish is done and ready. Good to serve with some rice and a bit of garnish. Garnish comes in the form of some peanuts and of course the main ingredient of the recipe, some sesame seeds. So here is your dish. Enjoy it, savor it, and good luck to all of you. Enjoy.
So guys, the dish is ready. Do enjoy it at home. Please make it, and if you like this recipe, please like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not done before. And for the next recipe, do wait for it. Let my husband come up with a new recipe now, and we'll both together cook something good for you. So take care and enjoy this recipe, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.